Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Infinix phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys Infinix mobile display brightness problem setting, how to fix. Friends, you have your brightness problem on your Infinix mobile. So friends, how to fix brightness problem one by one, step by step friends we will talk about in this video. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video guys. So friends, sometime when you go outside, when you come inside, and friends your phone automatically increase and decrease brightness. So friends, how to fix and solve brightness problem in Infinix mobile? First of all, open your phone setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface on your Infinix mobile. So friends, on your Infinix mobile you will have to click here display brightness setting. After on display brightness setting, as you can see phone adaptive brightness setting, brightness level setting, eye care setting, wallpaper setting. So let's click here adaptive brightness. And friends, you can check adaptive brightness notification screen brightness adjust to environment. So your screen brightness will automatically adjust to your environment and activities. So friends, on your Infinix mobile you have enabled your adaptive brightness settings. So friends, you will have to only turn off. After turn off friends, you can increase your phone brightness. Your brightness will not increase and decrease automatic on your Infinix mobile. You can use your phone guys without brightness problem. And friends, again if you on adaptive brightness, so friends you can check brightness level is 100%. So when I will on, so my brightness will decrease automatic on my device. Friends, you can see 87%. So friends, brightness will increase and decrease according to my environment activities. So as I will turn off adaptive brightness, and friends I can increase my brightness will not decrease on my mobile. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video. I hope friends you understood how to fix and solve Infinix mobile phone automatic increase and decrease brightness problem. So bye friends, thanks for watching.